Great! Confidently took $46 net profit. Another win! Easy win! Another win! Hello, I'm Camila. Before the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have a Nozzle's Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write me in private messages I want to join the VIP. See you! Watch this video carefully and you will learn one of my main principles in trading, which helps me to consistently earn good money. Friends, today we have another super simple trading strategy on our agenda. Very fast, we will close transactions in 5 seconds. That is, you will see profit very quickly. Let's go! So, first we need to go to the trading platform. I use Pocket Options as always, and I will leave a link to the original platform in the description under this video. Now, let's set up our indicators. Today, everything is simple for us. We will not even change the settings of the indicators. We choose any currency pairs. I open several currency pairs at once with a high percentage, because the strategy is suitable for any currency pairs. Next, we will study the situation in the market. Today's chart type is Heikin Ashi, time frame 5 seconds, and the time of the transaction is also 5 seconds. Indicators today are Super Trend and MACD. We do not change the settings of these indicators. And that's it, friends. Just like that, we quickly set up all necessary indicators and can immediately start trading. So, friends, the Super Trend indicator is an indicator that shows us the trend in the market accordingly. The red line is a downtrend and the green line is an uptrend. Accordingly, when we have a downtrend, we open a down trade, and when the uptrend is up. Now, we just need to support this trend with the MACD indicator. We'll open deals only at the moment of crossing the lines of the MACD indicator. If the lines cross and go down and the super trend indicator shows us a downtrend, then we boldly open a down trade. If the lines of the MACD indicator cross and go up and the super trend indicator shows us an uptrend, then we open an up trade. Friends, before moving on to the practical development of my new trading strategy, I promise to tell you about my Author's Trading Guide. My guide is a collection of all of my rules for organizing money management, which will help you earn big money on trading without loss. Today, you can get my guide for free. What you need to do? Follow the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it, and write me in private messages I want a guide. Do it right now and then you will thank me, and we move on to practice. Well, let's find some good entry points. Now I will analyze the market and different currency pairs. I think that we can easily find something with you. Okay, I found the first situation. Super trend indicators showing lower, MACD lines almost touching each other. Waiting lines to cross and entering trade down. Great! Confidently took $46 net profit. Friends, I will be glad for any of your activity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, put likes and write comments. I do it for you. Spend some time jumping between pairs and found this situation. Waiting MACD lines to cross and enter trade down. Little bit unlucky. The next bar opened up and sadly we lost. There is another situation waiting for the best moment to enter trade. For a fraction of a second lines crossed, so we entered. Another win! Nice! Lines crossed, waiting for the best entry point and entering trade down. Yay! And we got another confident win. Same as before, entering trade up and we lost. Increasing bet size to $100. Entering trade down and we got draw. And again, entering down and easy win! Lines crossed, entering up and Win! Another win! So, friends, today I showed you a very easy strategy based on two indicators, MACD and super trend. The strategy is very confident, simple, suitable, even for beginners, and most importantly, very fast. The time for making transaction is only 5 seconds. So during that time that you allotted for trading, you will have time to make many more transactions and accordingly earn much more. For today, I have everything. Subscribe to my channel, put likes and write comments. See you in my next videos.